Are you ready for the final show? I can't hear you. And now, virtual creation is taking the lead. Team Baran. Dina. Lara. Isam. Alex. Minea. Anastasia. Nastya. Lola and Bojda. Caro. New workshop. Virtual creation. Let the workshop begin. Workshop completed.
My name is Anastasia, I'm 20 years old, and I'm a complete zero in programming. Well, at least I was, until I came to this workshop. In normal life, I study languages and literature, and I was expecting many things from this workshop, like it would be boring or I wouldn't understand anything, but actually it was just the opposite. I enjoyed spending time at the workshop and I found a lot of new ways of developing my skills. So I definitely want to thank my moderator Carol and the whole team for this time, and what I want to wish you is just take the lead and be curious.
Hi, my name is Božidar and I chose virtual creation to broaden my views. I study economy and this is my first time having any contact with coding. Our moderator Carol showed us that virtual creation can be pretty fun through games and team activities. I'm really happy that I made new friends and learned the basics of coding.
Hello, my name is Dina and I come from Sarajevo. I've applied to ISWiB to the workshop Virtual Creation because I wanted to strengthen my knowledge from information technology and computer science, considering that I've already had some experience in those areas. In virtual creation, we've been studying the language JavaScript, which is very similar to the language I've been learning, C#, but it is not exactly the same. I'm very glad because of that, because I could strengthen my knowledge in C#, but also see what other languages have to offer and how they differ from what I've already learned, and that helped me broaden my knowledge. Also, the way of learning at this workshop was very interactive because we've been learning through a game, like we've been coding, so we can move through the game and through its levels. It was actually very, very fun, and it beat the stereotype that programming and coding is boring and annoying and really just a desktop job, because it's actually really, really fun when you get into it.
Let the curiosity lead us down new paths. Make some noise. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Virtual Creation team.